Hi there everyone. In this video, I'll demonstrate for you how to automatically shut down your laptop or computer using the specified timer. Let's get CMD open. Press Windows plus R, then type CMD. Now input the code I'm about to write. Erase the first code. Make sure to type it correctly to avoid errors. This step requires you to alter the seconds to the time you want your computer to shut off, but it must be converted to seconds. For instance, I'll enter 3,600, which is equivalent to an hour. Once you're done, press enter. Then type exit. All you have to do now is wait an hour, and your computer will shut down on its own. So, how can we disable the timer? Launch CMD. Next, enter the second code. Then hit enter. Enter exit and you're done. That's how you do it. I appreciate you watching.